Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I am here today to do a fun craft with you. But before we get started, I would love if you hit the subscribe button below and you can see when I go live and when I put out new videos just for you. All right, now today's video is a craft I picked up at my local Dollartree. So I'll show you what it is, and then maybe you can run out and go grab one of these fun fall crafts for yourself. All right, it's an all-in-one kit. It is this wooden coloring. And it says 5 pieces, color your own. So it's very simple. Comes with the markers and the wooden picture. The one I chose is the witch for Halloween. And there were other ones with other designs. So if you don't like the witch, you don't have to. You can do just a fall pumpkin, or I think there was a scarecrow. So why don't you head over to your local Dollar Tree so you can find a fall coloring craft. All right, so I'm gonna open it up, and pretty much you don't need anything else. You just use the markers that they gave you, or if you'd like to add more colors, you can get your own markers out to add some additional colors to your craft. Now, this is a simple project, so you can give kids as young as toddlers this project to do, and it's fun and a good activity. So, I'm just gonna get started coloring my fun witch, and the words on there say spooky night, and at the end, I'll let you know of other ways you can add on to this wooden craft to add to it and make it something fun for your home for that fall time. All right, so I'm gonna start with the colors they gave me. They gave me green. I'm gonna start with green, and I am going to color my witch. I'm gonna color her face green. Because on Halloween, it's fun to put on makeup, and you can color your face green if you wanna be a witch too. I'm just gonna start by coloring her face green. These markers are actually very thin, so it's good. You can get all the details. But if you want to use a thicker marker or a different color, that's when it would be good to get out your other markers. But these are good because I like these thin ones. You can get into the little spots, the little details with the thin marker. So I'm just doing her whole face green, because sometimes you see in books and in movies, witches with green faces. And then I will decide what color I want her dress and her hat to be. And I will probably be using my other colors. So if her face is green, I'm gonna make her hands green too, while I have the green already out. Okay, so I'm done with my green now, and I am going to color her dress. I'm gonna use one of the other colors they gave me. They gave me a purple, one of my favorite colors. So I will use the purple to color her dress she's wearing. The marker they gave me is kind of dried out. So I am actually gonna make it look a lot nicer with my purple I have here with me. So you never know what you're gonna get when you I'm just gonna use my purple. Okay, I'm gonna do her purple dress. Has anyone been to their local Dollar Tree lately and found some crafts to do for the fall holidays? You have? If you have, please comment below and tell me what you've picked up. Maybe I missed those items at the Dollar Tree. All right, so her dress is purple. I'm gonna take my time. Now, really, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can do polka dots if you wanna add details. You could paint this. If you don't want to use the markers that they gave you, if you really enjoy painting, you could paint this. And you can use this wooden item to decorate your home for Halloween. And like I said, if you don't see any Halloween ones when you go to your local Dollar Tree, you can, they most likely will have a fall one with a pumpkin or a scarecrow. They do go fast, so when they put out the craft items at the Dollar Tree, they go fast. All right, I'm gonna try their black. They did give me a black. I'm gonna make her hat black. Hopefully it works. So here's the little black, and I'm gonna color the hat black. Okay, the black's working. It's kind of light too, but I'm gonna use it. Okay, it's not bad. I was gonna say what you could do is you could run the markers under a little bit of water. I'm gonna try that with my purple later. And that way you don't have to throw away a marker. And it probably is good. Just a little dried out or something. Okay, so the black's working fine for the hat. And I'm going to actually do some details on the hat, so I'm not gonna color the whole hat. There's a band on it. I'm going to get out my orange marker. And there's my orange marker. I'm gonna get out my orange marker and I'm gonna color the band on the hat orange. And also yellow. Oh, they gave us yellow, so I will try to use the yellow that came with the kit. The yellow is like really golden. So that looks nice. Might be actually supposed to be orange, but I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna use my orange to color the pumpkin. I'm gonna do the pumpkin orange. This would be a good item to give your neighbors or friends if you do boo baskets, boo bags, whatever you call them, because it's simple, non-messy, and something fun that kids would enjoy. A little fall Halloween craft, and you don't need any additional supplies. So if you do that in your area, do boo your neighbors, you could stop by Dollar Tree and you could probably find everything you need to do a boo basket for your friends. It's coming along, it looks pretty cute. All right, I am gonna use a couple more colors out of my Crayola marker box I got. I'm going to use this darker green I have, and I'm gonna do the letters on the pot. Dark green. And does anyone have a favorite craft or something they make around the holidays? Because I'm always looking for something new and exciting to do with my family. And we do make things, but I'm always open to new ideas. So if you want to comment and tell me something you do you make a special recipe? Do you do a special craft every year to celebrate the fall time? I would love to hear those suggestions. All right, that looks good. Now I think I'm just going to color the pot black, the cauldron as you call it, the cauldron. This spooky Halloween cauldron. Now, if you give this to a little child, a toddler, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, they may be done fairly quickly, but that's okay. At least you got them to concentrate and work on their fine motor skills for a little bit. But there are some details on this picture, so this is good for all ages. It really is. And then in a minute, I'm going to tell you ways you can use this to decorate in your home for Halloween. You can all right, so what you can do is you can add a magnet on the back, put it on your refrigerator, just to add a little pop of Halloween on your refrigerator. You could prop it up on behind a book, and the book can hold it up, and it can be a little pop of on your bookshelf of Halloween fun. I'll make the whatever they're making the stew in here pinkish. And then I'll make the stars yellow, and I'm gonna be almost done. Oh, you know, I never picked out what color her hair should be. When you think of a witch, what color hair do you think? Black? But her head is black. Green? Her face is green. I'm not sure what color her hair should be. Let's do the stem on the pumpkin brown. Let's do, you know what, I'm gonna do her hair orange. Why not? Why not? Her hair can be orange. That'll be fun. Oh, I like that. And let's make her socks or stockings orange too. And the long spoon she's stirring her cauldron with. Can never have enough orange for Halloween. Okay, my coloring is done. Now, I hope you enjoyed coloring with me. Why don't you come back next time to Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts. Thanks.